Now we are doing question 1. Let's just quickly go through it. So it says, let A be the set. So we have A be the set with 9, and then it has 9 as a number, and then it has a set inside it. And this one is the set that has 9. So the set that has 9 is inside set A. Then we have the set that has 10. It is inside 10A again. Then we have set A closing here. Now they say determine whether each statement below is true or false, and they want us to briefly explain. So we'll start with part A. And they are now saying 9 is not an element of A. So this is a walk in the park. We should be having a field day today, because we know that they want to check our ability to understand, or how much we understand the difference between element and subset, and how good we are at those things. So let's just master it. Let's just destroy. Right. Now let's start with this first one. 9 is not an element of A. Is this true or is this false? Now this is obviously false. So you're going to say this. So you can say statement is false. Now let's do the explanation. Why? Reason. So you can now say 9 is an element of A. You can write it like that. Why? Because you can say here 9 is the first element in set A. So we have written it here mathematically to say 9 is actually an element of A. That is why the statement is false. And here we are saying 9 is the first element in set A. This is the reason. It's actually the first element which is inside set A. So that is the reason why this statement is false. Because if you go inside set A, you see 9. Okay. Remember, element means the thing you are looking at right now. If you go inside the set, you see it. Subset means if you get inside the thing you're looking at, the things inside it are also in set A. But element means the thing you are looking at, that thing, if you go inside the set, you will find it. So here, what am I looking at? I'm looking at the number 9. It means if I go inside A, I should meet it, because they are saying 9 is an element. So whenever I see this, so look, I don't care whether there is a cancel or what. Once I see element, I will try to see if 9 is an element of, then I'll be able to answer the question. Okay. So here we'll take this 9 and see if it is inside set A exactly as it is, and you'll find it. That would mean 9 is an element of A. That means this statement is false. Now let's do part B. What does part B say? It says 10 is an element of A. Now that means, what does element mean? It means the thing you are looking at. If you go inside that the set A, you will find it as it is. The thing you're looking at. So I'm looking at the number 10. If I go inside set A, do I meet the number 10? I meet the number 9. Then I meet the set with 9. And I meet the set with 10. I don't meet the number 10. Okay, because it should be inside set A exactly as it is. This thing here, this thing A, if I go inside set A, I should meet it. But no, I don't. So that means I can say that the statement is false. So we will write now to say statement is false. Statement is false. Because why? Why is the statement false? Because we're now going to give a reason. You can say now here to say 10 is not an element of A. And in explanation, we'll say now set A has, okay, set A has set with 10, okay? If you want to write it, we say, okay, which is a set containing 10, okay, but not 10 itself, okay? So it is the set containing 10, but not 10 itself. So you must remember that, okay? Remember that. That is what you must remember. And wow would say, well done. You are so good. This is so true. Now let's do part C as the last one. Then we'll do the other 3 in the next video, right? They're saying now the set that has the set with 9 is not a proper subset of A. Is this true? So now once you see the sign of subset, what does it mean? It means if I look inside it, the stuff which is inside should be inside A. Okay, so what is inside this set here? It's a set with 9. Is the set with 9 inside A? Yes, it is there as your element number 2, the set with 9. So subset is not to say the thing you are looking at, no, but get inside the set you are looking at and see what's inside. It should be inside A. So if I look inside the set, I see the set with 9 is inside it, and I go inside A. Do I see the set with 9? Yes, as my element number 2. So I can say, okay, that means it's a subset. Now for proper subset, that means the thing which I'm looking at inside is inside set A, but set A has more. And if I look at set A, yes, it has more. It has element 1 and element 2. So that means this is true. This is actually a proper subset. But here they are cancelling, which makes it wrong. They mustn't cancel. So it is actually supposed to be. So this statement is false. So we are going to write to say, statement is false. Okay, statement is false. This set here that has the set with 9 inside it is a subset of A, because the thing which is inside this set is inside A, and A has more. So proper subset means this set is a subset of A, but A is not a subset of it, which means that A has other things which are not in here, which is true. So this set here, if I look inside it, I see the set which has 9. If I go and look inside A, I see the set which has 9. So that means this thing is a subset of A, but A is not a subset of it, so it's a proper subset of A. You understand? So what am I going to now say here? So I can now just say statement is false, and I say this. Why did I say that this thing is a proper subset of A? Because we can say A contains the thing that is inside it. What is the thing that is inside it? It is the set with 9. So the set with 9 is inside A. You understand? All right. So there we have. So A contains the set with 9. A contains the set with 9 as one of its elements. Okay, as one of its elements. So there we have it, and this is all we need. Then we are done. You understand? So this is it for part C. You can underline the key word one of, and that is why this thing is a proper subset of A. A has other things. Anyway, we'll go to part D, E, and F in the next video. Goodbye for now.